Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this JBL Flip 3 Essentials Bluetooth speakers batteries for sale. These are the original batteries harvested from original fresh JBL Flip 3 Essential and Stealth Edition model. So this is the Flip 3 Essential model. You can see this is the Flip 3 Essential model. This battery belongs to this model. So if you have any battery issues like fast draining, or it is completely dead, or when it is plugged then it is working, in that case the battery might be fault. There are so many other symptoms you can identify the battery problem. So if you have any problematic JBL Flip 3 Essential, then in that case you can buy these batteries. These are original batteries which is very difficult to get here in India. So you can just go through. This belongs to JBL. The Great Power is the supplier to this JBL. If you open the speaker and if you take out the battery, then you will find this same battery. So let's see the specification once. You can see Great Power, model number is GSP 872693, rating is 3.7 volts, 3000 mAh battery, 11.1 watt hour lithium polymer battery, made in China. And there are some other specifications, warnings, and this is serial number. So this is GP2207013007. So these are the original batteries of JBL Flip 3 Essential, and this can be used for JBL Flip 3 as a Stealth Edition as well. The perfect fit, because this has 6 wires, 2 reds, 1 yellow, 1 white and 2 black color wire. So this belongs to Flip 3 Essential, and this can be installed in Flip 3 Stealth Edition as well, that is AC. So these batteries are for sale. If you would like to buy these original batteries, which is very rarest in India, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give it in the title and in the description. So you can just go through my AudioViz 360 channel. There are so many videos I have already uploaded regarding the JBL and other models like other brands, Sony, etc., Bose, Jabra. So many videos are there. And in this video, these batteries are for sale. And to purchase this, you can do message to the above WhatsApp number. There is no cash on delivery available. So these are plug and play batteries. Just you have to take out the old battery and install this new battery. That's it. Your speaker will become new again. First you need to pay the amount, then this will be shipped using India Post, and the tracking number will be given because the receipt will be there. That receipt I will share you through WhatsApp, and in that receipt there will be tracking number, and using the India Post website you can track it. So before winding up, let me tell you again, this is JBL Flip 3 Essential model. So this batteries belongs to this model. If you have speaker like this, then you can just buy this battery and install it. This is the rarest battery available here in India. You can just buy directly here from AudioViz 360 by just messaging to the above WhatsApp number. This is Flip 3 Essential Edition, and you can install this battery in JBL Flip 3 Stealth Edition, that is SE model as well. This is compatible to that model. This is original batteries of JBL, which is very rare and very good price. I will give it in the title and in the description. So the quantity of the batteries are limited, so buy it as soon as possible. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. If you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.